In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog post to WordPress homepage with Elementor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a list of your latest posts on your homepage, customize how it looks, and publish the changes with confidence. Start by signing into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click Pages to open your list of pages. Locate your homepage in the list, hover over its title, and choose Edit with Elementor. This opens the visual editor so you can work directly on the page layout without touching any code. Inside the Elementor editor, look to the left panel where all the widgets live. Search for a Posts widget. This could be called Archive Posts, PostGrid, or simply Posts depending on your theme and plugins. Drag that widget onto the spot on your homepage where you want your blog feed to appear. You'll see a blue highlight indicating the drop area. Release the mouse, and Elementor will place a default blog layout on the page. If it lands in the wrong place, just drag the handle to reposition it until it sits exactly where you want. With the widget selected, use the left panel to configure its settings. Under the Content tab, open the Layout section to adjust things like the number of columns, the number of posts shown, and pagination if you want users to load more articles. In the Query section, choose which posts to display, such as the most recent ones or posts from a specific category. The Image section lets you control thumbnail size and aspect ratio, while the link options determine whether a click opens the post in the same tab or a new one. Switch to the Style tab to fine-tune the visual design. Here you can adjust spacing and alignment, set typography for titles and excerpts, style the image appearance, and manage metadata such as author, date, and categories. You can also control the position of that metadata, refine the content area, and style hover effects and the Read More link to match your brand. Finally, explore the Advanced tab for deeper control. Tweak margins and padding, add motion effects like subtle fades, set backgrounds and borders, apply masks, and manage responsive behavior so the layout looks great on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Attributes and custom CSS are available if you need precision styling. When everything looks right, click Update or Publish in the top right corner. Preview the page to confirm the post list appears in the correct spot and reads well across devices. That's it. Your homepage now features your blog posts, styled and configured with Elementor.